Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here loaded up, unloading currently to give a little test run here. So we have a starter and flex plate issue, so hopefully we can get it. We're missing, I don't know, half the teeth on the flex plate, but we'll get it running.
Like that was it.
Alright, that's a wrap on today's video. Again, a super short video, but lots of action in this one. So, hope you guys enjoyed. We've got some issues to work out. We're going tomorrow. It's actually loaded on the trailer yet. We're going to the local place to get an alignment on the front end. We did jam a bunch of these twist lock deals in the springs. Front end super squishy and is not working the greatest. Those are big black Chevy springs in there, but not enough to hold that front end up. So we'll get the alignment done, and we also ordered a new starter and flywheel, so we're going to tear the transmission back out of this, get that replaced. Other than that, I think we're pretty much ready to go. Just do a double check on everything, and we'll be heading down to Florida on Wednesday. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.